Hey guys, so today I am doing an unboxing of the wireless keyboard for Xbox. It's a one controller and I'm just going to quickly unbox it and show you guys, excuse me, I'm going to show you guys some cool quick points with the one controller. So it also works so you can plug it in here, and it's really small, which is great if you've got small hands like me, because as you can see, both my hands fit here. And you can also message your friends directly from the one remote, so it works with any one of your phones. And you can also use it for Netflix, Hulu, and any other app that works on your TV wirelessly. So it's really convenient. You don't have to have like multiple remotes to do like one thing. If you want to play Xbox, you want to text your friends, you want to switch over to Netflix or Hulu or whatever, it's completely convenient and it's portable. So you can take this with you wherever you go, and I like that. So it plugs in right here, and then it doesn't need any additional batteries or anything. And if you look, also here it's got this really cool adapter that tucks away, so if you're traveling or you want to store it, you don't have to worry about it breaking off or anything like that. So guys, this is the Xbox One controller and you can get it on Amazon.